Last month, a judge ruled that Kimberly Sullivan should be placed under GPS monitoring during her conditional release period. On Monday, her attorney filed a motion to remove that GPS monitoring and other restrictions that were placed on Sullivan.
My client has done nothing wrong. She is adamant that she is innocent, and she is innocent of anything until a jury decides otherwise.
In a private hearing Tuesday, Kimberly Sullivan's attorney Jonas Kaloidis filed several motions he says are crucial to maintaining his client's innocence. He wants GPS monitoring removed, Sullivan's cell phone returned, and restrictions lifted on access to Sullivan's Blake Street home. A judge did not rule on the motions yet, but Kaloidis says he remains optimistic that Sullivan's cell phone will be returned and that she will be allowed back into her home. Kaloidis says one of his concerns is making sure Sullivan gets a fair trial.
We pay attention to what's being reported and how it's being reported and how she's being portrayed in the media. When the time comes, we're going to try and find jurors that can be fair and impartial, and jurors that have not made up their mind based on the limited information they've been provided.
Even though Sullivan wasn't in court Tuesday, her stepson's biological mother, Tracy Valloran, and other supporters were there.
I control myself every time I have to step into this courtroom and be an adult and not do anything stupid, and I won't do anything stupid because he needs justice.
Police say the man, who for now only goes by S, set fire to the Blake Street home so he could escape captivity. That was 2 months ago. Valloran says she still has not been able to make contact with her son.
Not only has he been withheld from me for the last 32 years, they're still withholding him from me now.
Allie Price, a supporter of S, joined Valloran Tuesday.
I'm just here to show support.
She held a sign that read, "Justice for Male Victim 1."
He deserved to have a life. He's the same age as me. I think that's also something that hits me really hard with this. He's the same age as me. And I think of like when I was in 4th grade and imagining like if my life had stopped back then. This is just inhumane treatment, and he deserved so much better.
The next court date for this case is May 27. Sullivan's attorney said that he believes the ruling on whether or not Sullivan can return to the Blake Street home will happen at that date. In Waterbury, Jamel Johnson, Fox 61.